Part 1. Transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without factory reset, one click. If you're in a rush, WhatsApp Transfer can migrate WhatsApp from Android to iPhone within minutes without needing a factory reset. Step 1. Download and install WhatsApp Transfer on your computer. Launch the program and connect your Android and iPhone devices to the computer. Step 2. Enter the transfer module. Now, you need to confirm the source device Android and the target device iPhone. If they are incorrect, click Flip to correct them. Step 3. Click Transfer to start the WhatsApp data transfer process. Once completed, you can access these files on your iPhone. Part 2. Transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without factory reset with Google Drive. If you are accustomed to using Google Drive for backups, you can also utilize this method to achieve migration. And WhatsApp Transfer similarly supports restoring data from Google Drive to iPhone. Step 1. On your Android phone, open WhatsApp and navigate to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Step 2. Tap on Backup to Google Drive and select the appropriate backup frequency. Step 3. After the backup is complete, open WhatsApp Transfer mentioned in the previous method on your computer and connect your Android device and iPhone to the computer using USB cables. Then, click on Import Google Drive Backup. Step 4. Log into your Google account and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Once successfully logged in, select your most recent WhatsApp backup. After parsing as prompted, you can preview the backups and restore them, or selectively restore specific messages, photos, videos, audio, and files. Step 6. After making your selections, click on Restore on WhatsApp Transfer, and it will begin transferring the WhatsApp messages from the Google Drive backup from your Android device to your iPhone. Part 3. Transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without factory reset using email chat. However, it doesn't allow direct restoration of WhatsApp and can only move chats. Step 1. On your Android phone, open WhatsApp and select the chat you want to transfer. Step 2. Tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner, select More, and then Export Chat. Step 3. Send the chat with or without media to your email address. Step 4. Open the email on your iPhone to view the exported chat. Part 4. Transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone with factory reset by Move to iOS. If you are willing to reset your iPhone, you can use the officially launched Move to iOS app to migrate WhatsApp. Step 1. Restore your iPhone to its factory settings. If you don't want to lose your data, please back up your iPhone before performing this operation. Step 2. Install Move to iOS on your Android device. Step 3. During the iPhone setup process, select Move Data from Android, and a numeric code will appear. Step 4. Open the app on your Android device and enter the code displayed on your iPhone to connect the two devices. Step 5. Select the content you want to transfer, including WhatsApp data. Step 6. Tap Next to initiate the transfer process.